Light and small size 30W dual USB car charger. Fast travel charger adapter. Type-C Gentech port charger for cell phone. To ports fast charger is fashion and charging multi-mobile devices at same time. It is compatible with all fast charging protocols. Adapts for laptop tablet phone. Support 3 devices fast charge at the same time. GaN chip. Smaller size. Quicker charge. Safer in use. This fast charger is 15W 30W dual USB car charger max. We have been supporting our agents with great conditions to develop business in local market. Welcome you join in us. Looking forward to your contact and advice.